Alright, look, man. It's snowing. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it. I ain't trying to give away spot, but bro, it's snowing again in Toronto. Like, this is crazy. Snows like, damn, I feel like every day. So let's get back to the heat, bro. I'm on the way to Atlanta. Welcome back to another video, gang. And listen, I'm on a plane right now, actually. Getting ready to head back to Atlanta. All right, y'all. So I'm on a plane now, and they had one for this flight. I'll show y'all my booklet when I get home. But yeah, I collect these. You just literally ask the pilot for the trading card, and they'll give you one. So yeah, man. I'm in seat what is this, 4C. So yeah, I will see you guys when I land in New York. Alright, y'all. I'm off my plane. For a second I lost my mics, but the pilot found it for me, so I'm recording now. But I'm on the way to the lounge. That's what New York airport look like. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. Yo, this is what I call big back rider. Cause it cuts out half the time and it takes me less the breath. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what I got to eat. Currently in the lounge right now, waiting on my next flight. But got a lemonade, some jerk chicken on there, this food, the rice, and cucumber. I gotta have cucumber. I love cucumber. But yeah, that's what I kind of see the lounge look like. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm excited because riding my ATV tomorrow. So gotta go do some maintenance, but we're gonna be at Durhamtown. It's a cool ass jet. Yo, I want a house. It's like straight glass, like in Arizona somewhere. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going the right way. Oh yeah, I am. I was like, but I'm gonna hit y'all when I get on the plane though. Show y'all my seat. All right, Natal.
Okay. Hi there. Can I get you
Hi.
a beverage before we take off?
Can I have apple juice?
Apple juice, want ice with that?
Yeah, so can I have a cup of water as well?
Do you have a water bottle?
Oh, can I have a cup of ice cream as well?
Ice, yep.
Yep, thank you. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all this. So this is like the largest screen I've ever seen, bro, but that's crazy. I'll actually catch y'all in a little bit, man. Let me get some sleep. Alright, y'all, so I'm in my seat, and we got two more to add to the collection. I don't know if y'all can tell, this like the layback for the huge screen. And then we got like headphones and stuff like that if I want to use them, but I might cook up some beats or something. But yeah, we're head back to Atlanta, man. I got a lot of stuff to get done. Alright, y'all, so I'm sitting here on this plane and I'm cooking up. I swear this is like one of the hardest beats I've ever made, bro. And guess what happened? My hard drive I plugged, so just lost that beat. Try to do a backup and see if I can find it on the backup, because I was cooking up for about 30 minutes, so I'm pretty sure it backed up. But yeah, man. What? I'm about to land. Alright, y'all. I'm on the way to my car. Don't tell me I done forgot where I parked it. Whoa. Yeah, I'm looking for my car right now. I low-key forgot. I might be on the wrong floor. I'll see y'all when I found my car. Hold on. right, y'all. I found her. Got nervous for a second. Thought I lost her. But nah, we right here. But let me get loaded up and then I'm gonna hit y'all in a second. Yeah. She still looks so good, man. Look at her. Buddy parked a little too close to me, didn't he? God dang. All right, y'all. I'm at Durhamtown. I got fast things hit the jump. All right, hopefully y'all can hear me. I ain't gonna lie, boy. I'm overheating like a mother. It's hot out here. But I was just on this trail. I'm trying to like test the clutches out, so I'm not really like trying to drive for real. So you're gonna see at some points I go super fast. Some points I slow down. All right, let me get back on this track, y'all. Y'all, had to take a break, bro, because my hands is cramping up, bro. But I'm on the trail right now. You shouldn't go on trails by yourself. Unless you me and you don't give a damn. Because, yeah, I'm just chilling, though. But nothing's wrong. I'm not broke down or nothing, thank God. But, yo, I'm sweating so hard. Look at this. The print from my glove is on my hand now. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, that's insane. Oh, hell no! Yeah, man. I'm just doing my hand exercises real quick. I guess people coming down the trail. But, yeah. They flying. Back on it. I was on the GP track most of the day today. because I wanted to test the clutches. So these last 2 rides has been testing. So don't be like, man, you ain't even explored a part for real. Like, I'm just testing equipment because I want to make sure my bike is pristine when I ride with them niggas YB and Leak GT. Because boy, when I tell you, they don't slow down for nothing, nigga. Nah, but for real, I got to make sure I'm straight, man, because I'm trying to be able to keep up with them boys, man. I really can, for real. If you watching this, bro, line it up, bro. You know what I'm saying? GG, Say YB, Wayne, Chase, all y'all line it up, man. Finna do a couple more of these and then drink some water. Then I'm finna finish this trail. Oh, let me know if y'all want me to start including me in the studio, because I don't like, bro, and I talked to my friends about this. I don't like recording at the studio because I feel like it's an invasion of privacy. Like, it's just, I don't know, bro. But yeah, I might do that tonight, record. If y'all don't see it, then I didn't record. But yeah, gonna go ahead and finish these stretches. Definitely get back on that trail, man.
2, 3.
But nice ride today. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I ain't got my mic in, so the audio probably weird, but I'm probably finna head to the crib, take a shower, fix my glasses. Look at this. Damn, man. But anyways, to load up. And next week, I'll probably have my brother out here on my LTZ, or probably his dirt bike. Don't know yet. I probably might not even ride next week. I got a lot of stuff to do with music. Hey, listen. Got some stuff coming. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, appreciate y'all again for tuning in, bro. This means a freaking lot to me, bro. It really does. Yeah, I don't take none of that for granted, bro. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm muddy, so I need to go take a shower. See you. Gang. All right, y'all. Well, I just got done riding. About to load up. But I want to show y'all something, bro. Oh my God, look at this. Oh! Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh no! Car off, bro. I can't believe Brandon gonna be mad, bro. Look at me disrespecting the car. Sight. We finna clean him up. It's gonna be straight. But yeah.
2, 3. Go. Go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, we bringing the smoke. We gon' make these niggas choke. Yeah, we bring the smoke to your door. Open the door, see the pole. Bang. Open the trunk, see the road. That's the bullshit that I'm on today. Play with them boys, you gon' go away. Your niggas taking your soul away. Yeah, bringing the pressure. It's whoever talks with the devil, you know I'ma catch him. Desire be killing me, feeling the pressure. It's all on my chest, I don't think I can help it. I need a new long, got a new Glock with a new drum. Popping your shit, we intrude on. Thinking we stressing you too, though. Go.